Hi, today I'm playing Don't Press the Button, and it has a new update. Knocked his head off. I don't like dodges. Oh wait, we can't because it's blocking. We're gonna have to keep this doja till it's over. I'm recording, so far no one talks. We hate Fortnite. Oh, so beautiful. I hope this never ends. I really do. Yay. I hope. It's gone. Woohoo! Everything's so hyped up. So far I have 14 gems. Or diamonds. Okay, it's over. There's bombs. Bombs. Invite your friends. Ooh. So, wow. I still hate Fortnite. Hey. Does no one speak? Because my chat is filled with my chats. Wow, no one is even speaking. This is unfair. It's a noob. How cool is that? Hey, someone say something. This is not okay. Okay, this server sucks. Let's go to a new one. I have a new server, and my face looks pretty ugly because I got slapped by Baldy. It took decades to find the perfect server. YouTube. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So perfect. I will probably never leave the server. Let's continue. We have a guy that looks like Sonic. The new Sonic movie is coming out. I'm excited. It's a house. Damage. Whoa. Anyway, I'm gonna go on the green platform, whatever. Yes. Oof. I like green. In my face. Epic. Not really, it's just ugly. Alright, anyway, I'll get the diamond, now I'll head back. Safe. Wolf. Alright, well, alright, so, get that diamond, and then I'll head back. Hurry. Safe. Alright, this one fell. Wolf. I wish I won't have to be in that phase for the rest of the video. Anyway. See, emotes. Hey. I'm pointing to you, YouTube. So, we gotta climb this. Hurry up. Let's climb this quickly. Alright. Alright, we're almost there. I can do this. Yeah, I did it. I survived. Woohoo! I did it. I got to press the button. It's Baldy. Oh! Yeah, this is pretty lagging. I need that diamond. Look at Baldy. Or he's gone. Baldy. Oh, not this again. We hate Fortnite still. Say hi to YouTube. Alright, so say hi or please. Alright, I guess they don't care. Well, I'm not leaving again because then it'll take me a while to find a new server. Perfect. Please speak. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so let's see here. Please speak. Please. I'm gonna have to leave if no one speaks. Okay? That's the reason I left the last server. So that's why. Alright. Noob. Yes, I'm ready for some spam clicking. Alright. Done. Yeah, I did it. Woohoo. And stop blocking the button. Stop it. That is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.